Hi, welcome everybody. I got a lot of questions on how to share properties with your clients, and it's actually very easy. So let me show you all the pieces that are needed and the most straightforward way that you can go and do this, and then I'll show you how to do things separately if you want. Anyway, here's the best way to do it. You start out, and let's just do a search. So we'll say a price range here, 1 to 2 million. We'll pick a couple of areas. Let's see here. Okay, and then we'll just hit apply filter. And now we've got 15 results. And let's say we want all of these properties to go into a basket. And we're gonna give our basket to somebody to look at. That's how you share things with ATX Pocket. Put things in a property list and then hand that property list and share it with somebody. And you can share that list with multiple people. It's actually pretty powerful. So I'm just gonna hit select all, hit the big red button. I'm gonna create a new list because I'm assuming you don't have any lists, but let's just call this one homes 1 million to 2 million. Terrytown, South Austin, 7704, and downtown. Now we'll click Save Changes. Now it's added all of those properties into that property list. So now I want to share that property list with my clients. So I'm going to go find the property list. Here it is. And now I've got all the properties here that they can see. And I can edit the list details if I wanted to come in here and kind of fine tune it. And you can see here it's shared with 0 people. So we need to share it with somebody. So I can click from my list of people, or I can create a customer right here on the fly. Okay, I'm going to create a customer and I'm going to name him David Winnebago. All right, and then let's do davidw@gmail.com, and we're just gonna make up a password and then create customer. Now, when we do that, they will get a welcome message. Account was created for David Winnebago. If I go to my email, I can see here's the welcome message that they would get. It's coming to me because I put my own email in there. But it's going to say, hi, David. All this other stuff, below are your credentials for logging in to see your property lists. And it shows them what their username is, where they log in, and what the password you made for them was. Okay, and then they can just click this and go right to logging in. So now that you have a person, go back to my list. Go back to your list that you created, you want to share. Now we're going to find that person here, David Winnebago. And we're going to click share. That's it. Listing shared. So once that's done, they're going to get another email. And here it is. A property list has been shared with you on atxpocket.com. This is what your customer will see every time you add, or this is actually for a new list. And we'll go over the additions. So ATX Pocket new list says, hey, look, here's the name of the list. So make sure, because it's going to go in their email. This is the name of the list. And that's it. So they can go in and see their list. When they log in, they will get all of their lists, and they can click on the list and see the properties in that property list. Okay. So let's go ahead and delete that. Now we want to add a supplemental property to it. And let's just say we want to find something in area 1 in or 2. Is there anything over here? Yeah, we'll just click one of the. We'll just click these. We'll add them to our list. Click your list. Click Save Changes. New properties have been added. Okay, so what just happened? Well, what happened is they just got another email. New properties have been added to your list, homes 1 to 2 million on ATX Pocket. they click this, and it says new listings. Hey, David, we want to let you know Buddy Quaid has added a property or properties to your list, named this and that. Boom. So every time you add something to that, they will see your changes. Now, here's the cool thing, the powerful thing about this is with this, I can revoke their privileges to see this list if I don't want them on it anymore, or if they're not interested in this search or this list or whatever, I can take them off of it. Okay. So all I have to do is click that X and they will be gone. All right. So the other thing I can do is I can add somebody else to this as well. You can add as many customers to a list as you want. When you make one change to that list, it's going to go out, it's going to send an email out, that same email that you just saw, to each one of them. And that's kind of the powerful thing. You make one change to a list and it's going to go out to all of them. Okay, so they will all see it. It's as if you're individually emailing all of them, but the system is doing it. I think this is a really powerful way of sharing things. So it kind of opens up ideas. One idea is that you might want to have a list where you just have all 1B properties or something like that. Let's say you have a lot of customers or a few customers that are looking for the same things, because that happens a lot. So what we can do is we can say, hey, I'm always getting these people who want anything from 1 to 3 million in 1B, and it has to have 4 bedrooms at least. Let's go ahead and apply that. Now here we have 4 houses. So you can make a list that's just basically the 1B, So you could just do like the Terrytown. Let's say it's just Terrytown properties. This is the name that they're going to see. Here's their description. Homes in Terrytown and surroundings. So now we have sort of a general list where if anything kind of pops up on this thing, and these are not automatic searches, by the way. It's not like an auto search on MLS. What you'll want to do is you'll have to keep searching your properties. So the best way to do that is create a saved search. Okay, so we can do that easily. This isn't a video about saved searches, but since it's right here and I'm talking about it, it's not that hard. So we'll just do 4, we'll do 1B, and we'll click apply. Once you click apply, you can click this save search button. Shows you all of your criteria here for your search, and then feel free to give it a name. So Terrytown area. Okay. Now, if you want to bring that up at any time, I'm going to click the logo to reset everything. There's no filters. I can go under my saved searches now and click Terrytown area. Boom, all of those search properties just came up. So I hope that helps you. It's super simple to get properties, send properties to one of your clients or many of your clients. This works on the phone extremely well as well. So if you're at dinner and you get a notification that there's a property that matches, log into ATX Pocket on your phone, click it, and hit that big red button and get going and send it to that list. And anybody connected with that list will be notified of that property. All right, I hope this helps you guys. Let me know if y'all have any questions, and I will get back to you with the answers, and we'll go from there. Have a great day.